Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, and welcome to Martyn Lucas Investor. So here we go. It's Wednesday afternoon, November the 16th, 2 p.m. Central, 3 p.m. Eastern, and we're live again investing. It's been a bit of a red day today, but I haven't sold anything. I'm looking to buy some more things and haven't had the opportunity. I've set all-time lows and things never got that low. I'm noticing a pattern. That I am not getting any new all-time lows, which is a good thing. I'm fully invested. If the stocks don't go down to the all-time lows and you stop buying, that means you've reached bottom because there's been no buying. There's been nothing to buy because I haven't gone to my all-time lows. That tells you that I have hit bottom, or at the moment. Anyway, let's have a look. This is my portfolio. 45,564. 3.97 down today, $1,800, and I've held. I haven't done anything. I'm all good. I'm happy. I've got all-time lows, long way away, which means I've reached bottom. That's what it means. I mean, if you want to measure when a bottom is, if you've set all-time lows and you've been buying lows for a year and you keep setting new lows, and for a couple of weeks you've not been able to buy anything, it means you've not gone that low for a couple of weeks, which means potentially it's a bottom. That's the only way you can really measure a bottom. When they talk about the market's hit bottom, they'll be saying it in 3 and 6 months from now, looking back. But for me, that's a way to actually measure it. I'm not able to buy anything. I've not gone down that low again. And so there you go. Maybe my portfolio has hit bottom. Potentially. Makes sense, doesn't it? Anyway, if you don't agree with me, let me know in the chat. All right, Ed Nevius, Rich Nevius. Oh, hello, it's Rich. I was thinking Ed Nevius. It's Rich. It's your brother, right? It's his brother, Rich Nevius. How are you? Wonderful to have you here. Welcome to all our members. You'll see we have the highest engagement rate on YouTube officially, more than Mr. Beast. We have 95% of all our live viewers are members. We go live 10 hours a day. It's the members that make it possible. And to reward that, I work for you for 10 hours a day, supporting, helping you. I just did a thing for Rob McLean before the show on TikTok and tried to get him to 1,000 followers. We did pretty well. We didn't hit 1,000, no. I think I left him at something like 540, something like that. But anyway, I'm going to make it my endeavour to get him to 1,000 likes. Sorry, 1,000 followers, so he can go live in his mountains in Scotland. So that's what we do. We're here to support and help everyone, and all my members gain 20 times back what they put in. Consider becoming a member. Here is the membership link in the chat. All right, let's carry on. S&P down today, 0.63. Am I still up on it? Yeah, I'm up 1.63. Virgin Galactic, I'm up 9%, down today 2%. Virgin Orbit, I'm up 0.63. Waiting to buy down at 268. We got the flight in a couple of days. It's been going sideways all day. Should I reassess that and buy at 281? No. For two reasons why I would not buy at 281. Two reasons why I'd only buy at 268. Maybe it's not going to go any lower now because the flight is around the corner. The UK spaceport has its license. We got it today, thanks to one of my researchers for sending that in. Maybe it won't. So maybe this is the new low. You can't buy Amazon and anything what it was 20 years ago or 10 years ago, can you? It's never going that low again. And maybe it won't go to 268 again. However, when it flies and it gets some news, it only ever goes up to like $4 and sells off again and straight back down. So if that being the case, I don't want to jump in and have a small profit and then, I mean, I'll catch it when it goes up. I mean, it's not like I'm not going to see it. I'm going to be alive with it. But it's not worth it to me. I want it to go down to 268 and that's it. And if I miss the pop, I miss the pop. I don't care. My money's invested in something else because ultimately I wouldn't even hold it anyway. It's not like Virgin Orbit you can buy at 282 and it's going to be $20 in 5 minutes. That isn't the case. It doesn't trade like that. It doesn't work like that. At least it hasn't done that on the several occasions it's flown. So I am not paying a penny more than 268. My buy order's in there and I'll jump in then. If I miss it, I don't care. Tesla 186. I've got an order at 170. That hasn't hit. Rivian, I've got orders placed at 26. Way off from that. I'm up 19%. That's my all-time low. Lucid, all-time low, down 20%, is to buy at 10. It's getting close, but I'm not buying before it hits 10. Arrival, well, we're not buying anything there, are we? It's going bankrupt. Amazon 96. I'm down 12%. I've got orders at 85. Long way down. Not buying anything till it gets to 85. Apple, my order, I think 130. Yeah, 130. I'm at 148. I'm down 2%. Robinhood, I've got an order at $8. I bought it at $9 several times, and now $8. I'm down 10% on it. That's okay. It's not great. Not buying anymore. McDonald's up 2.38. Very, very nice indeed. McDonald's, I've got orders placed to go in at 230, and I will double up this position if I get 230. If I get to 230, if that suddenly went down to 230, I would double up my McDonald's position. Same as Coca-Cola. I've got Coca-Cola booked in at 54. I would go all in at 54. J&J, I've got an order placed at 161. Same thing. I might even add about $1,000 worth. Terrible price action today. Enhanced Chicken, how are you? Let's bring all the members in. Let's bring everybody in. Enhanced Chicken's a member. Welcome, welcome. Please take advantage of all the benefits that you have as a member. You can have a poll. You can have a birthday celebration. You can have a 20-minute fundraiser. I will answer all your questions. I will reply to all your comments. I will follow all your social media. I'll put you on the homepage of my YouTube channel. I will blow up your channel, get you more views. The list goes on and on and on. You get access to Discord. You can call live into the show. There you go. Stephen Rowe says hello. Welcome all our members. 95% are all members here on our channel. Hello, Martin. How are you? Baron Handley. Lovely to have you here. Thank you, Baron. Paddy's here from Italy. How are you, Paddy? Lovely to have you here. Good stuff. Welcome, welcome. Bill's here, as always. Bill was the first one here. Right. Moving on. Google, great day. I'm flat on Google right now with a nice big position. Hello, Martin. What are we doing with space? What are we doing with space? I haven't bought any more yet because my buy order's at $4. Hasn't gone that low. We've got no news at the moment. Other sell, buy, or hold. Hold, most certainly. Out sell. Why would you sell? Definitely not sell. And for me, not buy either. Got $11,000. I'm not going to buy it until it goes to $4. And I'm just holding. Right in the middle of my channel right now. Malk UK, evening all. How are you, Malk? Lovely to have you here. Let's carry on. Microsoft, I'm up nearly 4% now. Meta has been going sideways all day. It's quite a rubbishy day, isn't it? That's why it's quiet today. Over there on TikTok, hi friend, video I posted on the Artemis launch yesterday. I was there. Stock market plan, you were there. Fantastic. I was there at the Virgin Orbit. So I know what it feels like. Mind you, I saw a plane land. I didn't see a rocket take off. I saw Cosmic Girl come in, which is going to launch the rocket from under its wing. Well. One of our Luca Badge members on TikTok right now, we've got Stock Market Plan. He's got a channel on my profile. If you go and look in the Superfans playlist, you can see Stock Market Plan's channel, his profile, and go and check him out. All right. Anyway, I did a video of it on TikTok. Great. I will take a look later on, and I will comment on it, and I will share it. All right. Let's carry on going back here on YouTube. Is it that time again? Yes, it's me back again. But most importantly, so is the beautiful Rocket Man, Martyn Lucas. Thank you very much indeed. I had a little bit of a surprise yesterday. I don't know if anybody saw it. I haven't posted on the Martyn Lucas music channel for a while, and I put out 2 songs yesterday, and I would love you all to go and check them out. We had an incident last night where a Russian rocket was shot down by Ukraine, and it came down and landed and ended up killing 2 people in Poland. And even though it was shot down by Ukraine, as far as I am concerned, and I stand by what I say, it's still Russia's fault, because they are firing missiles into a country. And when you get close to a border, it's only a matter of time before one goes over the border. Anyway, because of that, I recorded 2 songs live in the show, and I'd love you to go and check them out. Here's number 1. I'll give you the link right now. You can actually let this play as you're listening to me right now. Here we go. Here's video number 1. Let's let me put that in here. So there's video number 1. There you go. So video number 1, and I'm going to do your video number 2 as well. This is number 2. It's the road to hell. The road to hell. I did it all in Russian red, so I'd like you to go and check it out. Here it is. Here's the road to hell. I like the way the thumbnails came out. It's pretty cool. And so here's video 2. Video 2. There you go. So if you get the chance, if you want some music while you're investing with me, is video number 2. I'd like your comments below if you'd like to watch it, and leave a comment below. But there you go. There's video 1 and video 2. Thank you very much indeed. Yes, it was a Ukraine anti-air missile. It was. All right. Anyway, back to our position. I'm good, thanks. How are you, my lovely? We're all good. If you're over there on TikTok... Oh, hang on a minute. Do you like my creamy lattes? If you're over there on TikTok and you'd like to get the link to that video I recorded for Ukraine, you need to be on YouTube. I've just posted it in the chat. I can't share links on TikTok. It doesn't let me. If you come into YouTube, links in the profile, just the same name on YouTube, Martyn Lucas Investor on YouTube. I will... Oh, yeah, Bill. Bill gives me always my top viewer, Bill is. He gives me loads of roses every day. Appreciate it, Bill, a lot. Stock Market Plan, here where it counts. Stock Market Plan, how are you this afternoon? Stock Market Plan is one of my members. And he's turned green now. You've gone from blue to green. Okay, you will be yellow soon and then gold. No one's gone gold yet. These are all yellow badges. No one's gone gold yet. We're about a week away from our first gold members. Not gold level, but gold badges. I want to be absolutely clear about that. Anyway. Is that a Chris Rea original, Road to Hell? Yes, it is Chris Rea. Yes, it is. It is. So if you just tuned in and you want to listen to those as you're watching me trade, just posted out these 2 new videos. Here is my song for Ukraine, video number 1, and video number 2 is Road to Hell with the Russian colours of red. And I'd love you to watch it through and then leave a comment below the video. It'd be very nice if you could do that. All right, whoops-a-daisy. I just realised what I've done there. That makes sense why that screen was out. There you go. Sorry about that. Make an adjustment. Righty then. Fed's Dally sees rates rising at least another percentage point. Let's have a look. Church of Logic says Fed's daily sees rates rising at least another percentage point as pausing is off the table. I know there's no pausing. I've never suggested pausing at all. What I have said is in December, 0.5%. That's what I've predicted. Your cover is fantastic. Thank you, Mike. As Mike always says, listen to it with headphones on. I record it in 4K and Dolby surround sound, and it's all through a analog valve amp compressor. So have a listen to it. Don't listen to it on your phone. Listen to it on a computer or a big screen. Thank you, Mike. Ion Q, please, Stephen Rowe. Are you a member, Stephen Rowe? Are you a member? Can I look at it for you? Oh, well, okay then. Ion Q, right, down 7.43. I've got an order at 5. I've got an order at 5 to buy 80 shares at $5. Very, very close. This is the future of computers, quantum computers. I don't mind it going down to $5. I would like to do it. I'm only down 1.84, went to $5. I would be down about 4%, and then I could buy and literally be round that down to about 2%. That would put me in a strong position, but only if I pay $5. I'm not going to buy it here. Doesn't make any sense. A Christmas gift which when you see it will make you smile and laugh. She says it will make some videos viral. I don't understand that comment, Bill. NATO says Russia is ultimately to blame for Poland. Yeah, that's what I said. Of course, it's obvious. Russia is to blame for Poland missile hit. Moscow denies striking Kiev in latest attacks. I don't listen to a word they say. The fact of the matter is, they shot down a missile, and if they wasn't firing at them in the first place, it wouldn't have been there to shoot down, would it? It's obvious. 18 out of 45,000 seems like more than 18%, or am I crazy? 18,000 out of 45,000. 18,000 out of 45,000. What does that mean? Arnold, I don't understand what your comment is. Absolutely true, Mike. I need an address to send it to you. I'm sorry, I don't give out my home address, Bill. I've said that time and time again. I don't give out my home address. Absolutely video and audio. Thank you, Mike. Poll fed. $5 look. $5 looks good, Martin. Yeah, I think so. At the end of the day, I think the company has got a long way to go. I think it's a good company. I think they've got the deal now with Dell. I think it's a long-term investment. It's a long-term investment. So you have to wait. But if you are prepared to wait and have patience, then you can make some money on it. That's called investing, as opposed to scalp trading and jumping on the bandwagon. I would outsing. Oh, you would outsing me. Good. All right, crack on with that then. Order placed by Stephen Rowe. Ha ha. I think 15.50 though. Look, it doesn't matter it doesn't matter what the chart says, you see. I'm not interested in what the chart says. I'm interested in what I paid last time. When I last bought it, if I thought that was the all-time greatest, lowest, bestest price in the history of the world ever, I would have put $1 million on it, wouldn't I? I bought it. I've got a small position, and my structure and my strategy is I will buy it again if it goes less. And I have set a number. Nothing to do with the chart, nothing to do with anything. Just a general discount on what I paid last time. If we just pan out, give you an idea, $15.15. No, $5, sorry. There is $4.61, so it's been lower. It's been lower. Now, of course, if you're a chart reader, you'll look at that and go, okay, obviously you zoom in for the 5 minute and you'll see more details, of course. But you'll look at it and you're looking for channels and trend lines and the 200-day average and the 30-day average and all these kind of things. And you're looking for the point of resistance and you're also looking for the support lines and all this stuff. However, everybody else is doing that. I'd rather have my own insight and my own belief of where I want to pay, not what everybody else tells me what I should pay based on what's already happened in the past. I don't see that as a good way of investing. Never have and never will. So for me, $5 is the price I pay. Take it or leave it. And if they don't sell it to me for $5, that's fine. I've got it to $5.34 is my average. Take it or leave it. When I searched you on YouTube, his version was first and yours was second. No way. Really? When you searched for me, what did you type in? That's amazing. What did you type in, Mike? when I searched on YouTube, his version was first and yours was second. What did you type in? Just Road to Hell? Did you just put Road to Hell in and I came up second? That's brilliant. Is that right? Road to Hell. Oh, hang on a minute. I want to do that then. Let me have a little look. Let me do that then. Let me do it. Let's see if that works for me. So here is YouTube then. All right. Road to Hell. Let's have a little look. Oh, look at that. Yeah, I come up. Look at that, look. Chris Rear's got 39 million views, then 16 million views, and then, yes, Martyn Lucas. There you go, number 3. Yeah, that's cool. I like it. Bill said start from his first comment. What was his first comment? Whose first comment? Your coverage fan. I read all that. I read all his comments out, Bill. Anyway. I did 3 to fit. I don't know what that means, Bill. I did 3 to fit. Does anybody know what that means? I did 3 to fit. I don't know what that means. That's 40% roughly. Should be a PO box for gifts, etc. It's not. Well, I have been asked before. I have actually been asked if I would do a PO box, because I am getting more and more people now saying they want to send stuff for Christmas and stuff like that. At the moment, it's expensive to have a PO box. You've got to pay for it. As the channel grows and more people want to send things, I might have a PO box. But anyway. No, don't send. You can't send anything yet, Bill. That address, the old address, was then forwarded on to me. I can't keep asking those people to do that. So that's not the way to do it. Maybe I'll get a PO box. Should I get a PO box? Does anybody else want to send me anything? So I get a PO box. Martin, did you hear about Elon Musk defends multi-billion-dollar Tesla deal court? No, Sam. What did he say? Your wife won't understand. Well, you just tell her that Martyn Lucas doesn't give his address out. I mean, what can I say, Bill? What can I say to you? Can't just share my address out to everybody. Yes, 22, good idea. It's a viral thing for sure. 22. Oh, I see. Road to Hell. I will suggest Martin's vids if you looked before. I will suggest Martin vids if you. It will suggest Martin vids if you've looked before. No, if you. I always check 22. I always check incognito. If you follow a channel, subscribe to a channel, and blah 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 blah, search history will suggest the person you watch. I know that, 22. When I do a search and when I talk about that I rank number 1 for SPCE stock and I rank number 1 for Virgin Galactic and so on, and all these things, whenever I search, I go incognito. All right? That way, it doesn't know your history, doesn't know who you are, and that way you get, you can search for things with the true, the true situation. And I'll show you what I mean by that. Let me go to YouTube right now and I'll share with you what I mean. Let's see if I can do that right now. This is what I always do. So when I quote these numbers, look, this is my iPhone right now. You see it says turn on incognito. Turn on incognito, right? Turn that on. Now it doesn't know who I am. It doesn't suggest anything that I'm looking for. So now if I go SPCE stock, right? Okay, look, I'm on top of the list there, but if I go onto Google, onto YouTube, I rank number 1 in the search term for it as well. See, I'm right at the top. SPCE stock, I'm right at the top of the list, and I rank number 1 in the search term, and that is without me. That's me in incognito. All right, so you can see my video. There's another one of mine. It's all on the. There's loads of mine. Look. So let's do it for Road to Hell, shall we? Let's do it for Road to Hell. I don't expect to be that at all, because I've not done lots of videos about roads to hell. So anyway, let's have a quick look. See, I'm not ranking there. What you can do, and I'm still incognito mode, right? I'm still in incognito. You can change the filters and just go upload date. That's another way of doing it. Let's have a look. There, number 3 there. Number 3 there. That's incognito. That's doing it completely the legit way, if you like. All right. Hope that makes sense. I like to always clarify everything I say. Won't be the same for a random viewer. Yes, it will. If you rank number 1 for the search term, it will come up number 1, no matter what. BBC Spaceport granted operational license by CAA, loading up the boat at 282. Be careful, Pete. I've been there. It doesn't trade like that. I'm just saying, you talk about loading the boat. I'd be very careful if I was you. I'm not buying it until it goes 286. Only because at the end of the day, I see greater opportunities with other things right now. Right? It doesn't matter how good I think that is or how much money I think that's going to make. I see greater returns on other stocks. It might go to like $4. But that's not enough for me until it hits 268. All right, that's how it's traded time and time again. Now this time could be different. This time it could go $1 million. All right, I don't know. But what it always does, and I've met the people at Virgin Orbit, no one has faith in the stock price. No one. You talk to people and it's like they scalp it themselves, right? The way people invest on this company is it's not. It doesn't get the volume. It doesn't get the attention. I know it's getting some news now, but it just pops up and drops off again. Anyway, I'm sticking to that. It doesn't matter if it goes up to me. It makes no difference whatsoever. If I miss it, something else will make more money somewhere else. I would only buy it at 268. Look, my order's placed here. Look, my order is placed. Only a small amount, because what I'll do is I've just got to buy 10, and then once it is 268, look, at 10, I will then double up, maybe buy $1,000 worth of it. That's how I will do it. But just because they got the license, they've had, remember the market's price things ahead. We already know they've got the license. It's not like a magic bullet. Next week, it's going to go to $100. I mean, if that was the case, it would already be rising. People would already be buying it in. That's the point. If this was the golden ticket right now, people would be buying it in. But there's no, it's not a secret. It's not a secret. They've got the license. Look at that. There's no volume at all. No one's bought a bloody. That can't be zero. Let me just check that. It can't be zero today. I mean, I said it's low volume, but it wouldn't be zero. Someone's bought something today. There you go. I'm gonna say someone's bought something today. Right, there you go. Average volume 189. It's below average volume on the day it got. Yeah, that's why I just refreshed it. It's got on the day it's announced it's got its license. It's got below average volume. If that doesn't tell you everything you need to know, I don't know what does. It's got potential, but other stocks have more. And isn't that what it's all about? Are you married to the stock, or you just want to make money? I love Virgin. No one loves Virgin more than me. Many stocks are below volume. Doesn't mean anything. Of course it does. Church, of course it does. It's getting in the news on the BBC that it's just got its license. Do you know it's the very first rocket to be launched from Europe, not just England. It's a big deal. It's a huge deal. It's got the Virgin marketing behind it. It's a huge deal. And yet, the day they announced it, no one's bought the stock. Come on, guys. Don't just will it up. Don't just will it to go up. It's got to have fundamental value, hasn't it? So, anyway, just a quick watch tonight. My wife, just a quick watch tonight. Wife wants me to watch I'm a Celebrity. Only too many words in a comment I had to spread into 3. Is that Vorb, Peter? Yes. You can share a PO box if you have any friends. If you have any friends with one. You can send them to my house. Stephen Rowe. Virgin not expected to launch end of November. That's right. Okay, I'm back with sound. How are you, Martin? I'm all right. Let me have a vote. Let's have a vote for Martin to get a PO box. All right. Carlos, are you a member? Carlos Sanchez. Yes, you are. Here we go. Start a poll. All right. Does anybody want to send me a Christmas card? Hang on a minute. Hang on then. Should I get a PO box? There you go. Should I get a PO box so people can send me stuff? This is the most funniest bloody poll ever done. Right, there you go. Should I get a PO box? That's the funniest thing I've ever heard in my life. Anyway, Carlos Sanchez asked for it, and he's a member, so I've got to do it. I figured out over a year ago here I could be trusted. I guess I'm just a number. Bill, it's got nothing to do with you being just a number. I have literally hundreds of thousands of people watch me across all the platforms. I can't give out my address to everybody. If I told you, I'd tell the whole world. I figured out over a year ago here I could be trusted. I guess I'm just a number. Don't be silly, Bill. It's got nothing to do with you. It's just general. One rule for one rule for everybody. It's not, I can't just put on here, this is my house. There are some funny people around. Do you know what I'm saying? Billionaire says he wanted to fund broader ambitions but had no formal role in restructuring his remuneration. I'm referring to Chris Rea. You ranked for Mike because he watched you before. I understand it works for space because it's much less frequently searched. I loaded the boat, Pete. The reason why 22 it doesn't work for Road to Hell is I don't make regular videos on Road to Hell. If I did and they were good and people watched them, then I would rank for Road to Hell. But it'd take a long time. I'd have to do lots of videos, have them all watched and all liked. Then you can rank for anything if you work hard at it enough and you do better than the competition. It takes a long time though. It's taken me a year to rank for SPCE. I loaded the boat, Pete. Got my average down to 291. $10 stock in 2 years. Yeah. I agree. I agree with that. But that's 5x. That's 5x. I've got other stocks that will do 5x and 10x. So I get what you're saying, Church. But there are other opportunities that will do the same thing. That's what I'm saying. But between now and then, this will have lots of pump and dump and so on. So why you always say the market prices stuff in? Why do you always say the market price? Well, because it does. The markets are 6 months ahead. Zero is wrong. I bought a bunch. I just refreshed that, so we found that out. Many stocks are below volume. Yeah, doesn't mean anything. It does mean a lot, in my opinion. No way a Virgin Orbit doesn't go up when it's just started making money. No way a Virgin Orbit doesn't go up when it's just started making money. There's many companies with low trading volume, and it goes up all the time. Got a small position on Rumble. I wouldn't buy that either. I put my first $300 in trading 212 yesterday. I'm now $220. Hey, always look on the bright side. Yeah, it's a bad day. Thanks, Bill. Sent a picture of it. Thank you, Bill. Thank you. Thank you. I'll reply to that. The VO launch from Cornwall will put all their positions. The VO launch from Cornwall, Virgin Orbit launch from Cornwall, put all their previous launches in the shade regarding news coverage. Maybe Artemis has taken a bit of the limelight today. You will see. All right, Bill. I'll read that later. Remember, next time you want my support on Meta and Tesla, support my Orbit. I've already bought your bloody Ford. Oh my God. Remember next time you want my support on Meta and Tesla. So would it make you happy if I bought some Virgin Orbit? Would it make you happy? Would it make you happy? Hang on, let me end this poll a minute about my flipping PO box. It looks like 8 people. So 8 people want my PO box. So if I get a PO box, am I going to get 8 presents in the post? Am I going to get 8 presents? Because if I am, then I'll set it up. All right. Okay. So for the people that said they want my PO, I want a PO box number. Right. If you said yes to PO box, answer this. Answer this. What a crazy thing we're having doing tonight. Answer this only. If you said yes to the PO box, not if you said no. If you said yes to the PO box, answer this only. Do you want to send something? Right. Okay. Do you want to send me something? I'm gonna say. Do you want to send me something? All right, here we go. So only answer this if you said yes to the PO box, right? And I want to find out. I think it was 8 people said yes, get a PO box. And now I'm asking the people that said yes to that, do they want to send me something for Christmas? Because I'm not going to pay for a PO box for nobody. If you said yes to a PO box, answer this. Do you want to send me something? Yes or no? Oh my gosh. Right. How much is the PO box? What's the break even on gifts? No idea. It's probably a lot of money, I'd imagine. I think it's about like, I think when I looked at it, it was like something like $20 a month. It's like $20 a month. I don't need one. Anyway, I googled search. I think I found the address. No one can hide on internet. I found lots of people. I'm down on it. Buy the oh, hang on a minute. Correct. Shadowing Orbit. Britain suffering labour market wave. Buy the Virgin Orbit, Martin. I'm down on it. Buy it. How much is the PO box? I said yes. I already sent the T. Stephen, no Americans. Real estate is hidden. All public record. Can't find where I live because the FBI. Can't find where I live because the FBI level search hidden due to personal circumstances. Oh my God, that's cheap. 1,000 a year here. Bloody hell. Where are you, 22? Bloody hell. Anyway, so church. Okay, so here we go. Hang on. So like 4 people then. 4 people. Or Guernsey. Oh yeah, I forgot. Guernsey. Yeah. I remember now. 4 people. There we go. 4 people want to send me something. I'll get a bloody PO box. And don't buy Orbit now. Just support it. Oh, don't buy it, just support it. I was considering buying it then for you, church. I was considering buying it. I'll be the biggest investor on Virgin Orbit all day. I'll wait until you come to Truro next. I'll let you buy me a pint at the watering. You let me buy you a pint. That wasn't quite where we were going with that. Right. Okay, we're going to end this poll now. Because it looks like, it looks like 6 people want to send me something if I get a PO box. Oh, man. Ed Nivis, hey, Paddy, how you doing? Right, we're going sideways. We're considering, shall we all buy Virgin Orbit? We've got the flight in a week. Martyn Lucas, I'll be in Dallas next year. We must meet. Forget a PO box. There you go. Church of Logic. I'll meet you in Dallas, mate. Share my gift with everyone here for the opinions on it. Share my gift with everyone here for the opinions on it. Share your gift with the opinions on it. What do you mean? Richard Moriarty, Chief Executive of the CAA, said the issuing operating license was a historic moment. It is. It is. It doesn't mean to say everyone's going to buy the stock, though. That's what I'm saying. There's a better poll. Vorb, yes or no to buy now. Yeah, I bought Vorb yesterday. Agreed, Chuck. Would love to save up and meet for a great time. Yeah, that's called the next year's convention. Bloody hell, how many people need... How many more times have I said it? When the market recovers after this war, people will invest in speculating stocks like Orbit. All right. Okay. Shall I buy Vorb? There you go. Yes or no? One-minute poll. I got my finger right on the button. 200 shares of Virgin Orbit. Limit order 283 shares, 200 expires. Good for the day. It's a 1 minute. It's a 1 minute thing. 200 shares, 7 votes, 86%. $283, 200. Good for the day. 2566. Ay, 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 ay. Now we get the password check. Got to do me security checks. Got to do me security checks. I hate when this happens, because you're already locked in then. It's like really annoying. I hate how it works. There you go, Church. There you go, Churchy. I just bought 200. Very, very important top tip. The best tip I can give to anyone who's thinking of buying a stock like this with low, very, very low volume, virtually non-existent. I just bought 200 shares of Virgin Orbit and I set a limit order. Okay, and I just went in at 283 and I bought 200 shares of it, because I want you to know and be absolutely clear about this. When it's low volume like this and you just buy, you might end up paying 285, 286, 287. Church had it happen. Remember Church? Remember that one? We learned from you, mate. We learned from you. We learned from everybody, right? We learned from you. Do you remember that situation? You just went and bought it on Robinhood and it ended up getting stuffed. Do you remember that? So I've just set a limit order, 200 shares, 283, 565. It will go up, however, but I've only bought 200 shares. What my plan is if it goes down to 268, maybe it won't go any lower. Maybe it won't go at that. But buy at one price. Buy at one price. Yes, no more limit orders for me on Orbit. Yes, no more limit orders. No, it is a limit order, you mean? You want to do a limit order. So if it drops down now, I've got it placed to buy. I'll buy another 200 at the next step down, because it probably won't go much lower. I mean, 268 is about as low as it goes. I mean, look, 258. You know, it's not going to go any lower than that. All right, we've got all the good news coming in, right? But for it to make any sense, I'm not going like $5,000 or anything. Right, other way round. Yeah, I know what you said there, mate. So there you go. I've done that for Church. Right, Church, you owe me $568 now. I bought that because you wanted me to. He's thinking, well, if I'm going to give you $500 to buy Vorb, I might as well just use $500 of my own money and buy it myself. That way, if it goes up, I get the money. I don't see any point in giving you $500 to buy Virgin Orbit. I mean, that's ridiculous, right? I put $500 on Orbit. Screw it. There you go. Have you just done it as well? Or Vorb will be $4 on launch. Yeah, it will. It will. I'm like 100% certain it will go to $4 on launch. I'm like 100% certain it will. So you might say, well, if you believe it's $100, that's $4. That's basically $1.17 a share. So basically, you just earned yourself $200, right? Correct. Why don't you spend $1 million? Because you got to be sensible, right? Hey, Martyn, what about you and your stuff? Just finished to have the shower. Good. What about you and your stuff? What does that mean? What does that mean? Hey, Martyn, what about you and your stuff? I put 500, screw it. 568, exactly. We both win. There you go. Howdy, Stephen. Hey, Church, how you doing? Hope the launch goes well now. $10 is the 52-week high in 2024. That's when it will be worth me selling. $10 is because it was a SPAC. That's got nothing to do with the value. Churchy, you know better than this. You know better than this, Churchy. Come on. Come on, Churchy. Come on. The reason why it's $10 because it was a SPAC. It's a guaranteed $10 price. That's not because it's worth $10. It's because it's a SPAC. All SPACs at $10. So, all right. Yeah, you can laugh. LOL. Oh, wait, hang on a minute. It goes to $10. I'm going to buy this. Forget $10. Forget $10. You may never see $10 again. Might go to $100. I don't know. But $10 is irrelevant. That's just the SPAC entry price. That's the rules of SPACness. The spackety-spackness of rules of SPACness. Absolutely nothing going on in this market. No, it's rubbish. It's rubbish. But no news is good news. Have you heard of a company called Snowflake? No, I have kind of heard of it, I think. It rings a bell. It rings a bell. There's a little bell going off of my ear. Like that. I don't know what it's telling me, though. Anyway, it's not a SPAC anymore. That's why the price dropped. Correct. It's not a SPAC anymore. But that price, when it was a SPAC, has nothing to do. This is the price now. None of this is important. The action only counted from really here. Because it opens at a SPAC. No one wants it. It drops off. From really, This is when we start measuring its success from here. All this, irrelevant. None of this counts. This is when you start to buy. Volume is a small piece of the pie. Can you look into love? What is love? What is love got to do with it? We're on. Rob, how are you doing, Rob? Did everyone join in and see Rob today? I did a special video for Rob. How many followers you got now, Rob? How many you got now? Anyway, this is the beginning. In 2040, we can sit back and stock can go down 70% and we won't be bothered. I know. This is the beginning. In 2040, exactly, just like Church of Logic. Market profit. Exactly. I followed Rob on TikTok. Andrew Grady did it. 541. Hey! He started about 505, wasn't it? I got him 38 followers. Wasn't quite 1,000 though, was it? But I got him 38 followers in like 20 minutes. All by myself. Isn't that amazing? It is amazing. It is absolutely mind-blowingly brilliant. Bill says, I'll be dead by then. Yeah, so will I. We'll all be dead by then. I followed Rob. Tina Turner. What's Tina Turner got to do with it? Everything, investment, stocks, etc. I don't trade. If I could, I would. What about Virgin Galactic, for example? What about Virgin Galactic? While that's still rich, investors shouldn't forget that Snowflake is growing at a terrific pace to justify its rich valuation. Says Sam. Sam, love. LOTM. You want to look... who was it who wanted me to look at love? Who was it who said they wanted me to look at love? Let's have a look. Who was it who wanted that request? Carlos Sanchez. Carlos Sanchez said it. And I've got to do it because Carlos Sanchez is a member. So I've got to do it. Someone told me the other day, remember, you work for us now. You work for us now, Martyn Lucas. You work for us. Lovesack. Lovesack? Is that a real thing? Lovesack is a technology-driven omni-channel company. It designs, manufactures and sells furniture comprised of... Oh, yeah. I don't get this. I wouldn't invest in this, would you? Would anybody invest in... I don't know. I can't get excited about a company that makes sacks. No, I'm not even going to look at it. I've looked at it because I'm being nice. But that's as much as I'm going to do. I'm not going to look at it anymore. Has it done well? Is it earnings up? Expected December the 7th, blah, 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 blah. It's moving up. It's got a very strong buy, 100% buy from analysts. You never see that. That's very interesting. So the analysts love it. Analysts think it's the buy of the century. Maybe it is. No dividends. Very low volume. Churchy will tell you that's not important. But what does Church know? He don't know nothing. Don't listen to Churchy. Brilliant. Right, we're starting to get a bit of a rally into the close. I was down like 4.5% this morning, like nearly 5, wasn't I? Let's have a little look. I was down, 5.5. I was down 5. Look, round here this afternoon. What am I doing? Hang on a minute. I was down here. Look, 5.5%. We've gained 1.5%. Shortages of fresh eggs in the UK due to avian flu. Bloody hell, Rob. That's not good, is it? I can't have my fried egg on toast. It's going to be hell up. I'm telling you that. You ask Leah. If I told her that. There'd be hell up here, I tell you. No fried egg on toast. What do you mean? We can't have that. Hell up. Right. Virgin Galactic's going up. Have I made money on my Virgin Orbit yet? If that goes to 282 before it goes to 284, me and Churchy, we're having words. Church, you hear me? If that goes to 282, like I said it would, I said 268. If that goes to 282, that goes down before it goes up, Churchy. Me and you having words. We're having words. Right. I can't believe I haven't done a flipping... Oh, this is annoying. I haven't done one commercial break this afternoon. Right, here's a commercial break. I've lost so much money this afternoon. There you go. There's your first commercial break. I've done no commercial breaks. I've lost a lot of money here. Lost a lot of money. Gotta go, mate. Have a good one. Andrew Grady is off. See you later, Andrew Grady. You got me to buy Virgin Orbit. Now you're buggering off. That's not good. Started at 495. Oh, you started at 495. I got Rob McLean about 50. About no likes either. Yes, I tell you what. I don't know what you think this is. It's like, what am I doing this for? Very, very upset. No one's liking. No one's liking. In fact, I'm very upset about it. In fact, I'm going to say it right now. I'm upset about it. Right? So, here's the deal right now. I'm going to do another commercial break unless you all like the video. There you go. 22 likes now. It's gone up. 22 likes. That's better. Smash the like. It looked like Andrew Grady, whoever it was, mentioned that. No likes. I think it was Stephen Lewandowski. Stephen Lewandowski said no likes either, and suddenly everyone liked it. See that, Stephen Lewandowski? You're the man, mate. Right? You're the man. We got Day Trader of the Day in a minute. When I'm ready. When I've got enough likes. Not until. Smash the like button. There you go. Smash the like. And here's the like. Look, Mr. Mini-Me. Do it. Do it. 23. Look at this. Look at this. 100%. Best channel in the world. Look. 23 likes. 23 watching. It's now 24. It was 23. 100%. There's one. They are 23 watching. 23 likes. Best YouTube channel in the world. Best YouTube channel in the world. We got 10,000 likes on your TikTok cast for me. Yeah, 10,000. In fact, I think it was more than that. Rob, I think it was 21,000. I saw 21,000. So you're underestimating it. I saw 21,000 likes. Very, very good. For anything bag holding, ARDX, this is an approval vote taking place for one of their drugs. Listening now to live stream, holding 4,500 shares, either buying the Lambo or riding my bike. I love it. You either buy the Lambo or you ride your bike. It looks like it just approved for the. It looks like it just got approved by the docs 9-4 on the vote. Okay, that's good. Fusion Goodies stocks being halted all day. What is this? What is going on? For anyone holding ARDX, let's have a little look. ARDX. ARDX. Let's have a little look. For anyone, yeah, some stocks it's changed. Hello. Let's have a little look. For anyone bag holding ARDX, there's an approval vote taking place on one of their drugs. Listing now to live stream, holding 4,500 shares, either buying the Lambo or buying the bike. It looks like it just got approved by the docs 9-4 on the vote. Some stock exchanges, not Robinhood, have temporarily halted trading. What's going on here? 5 years, it's crashed right down. It used to be $6, $8. It's now $1.22. Tell me more. This could be very interesting. Shall we buy some? So next is FDA approval, I think. I always lose money on these type of things. Why did it drop? It dropped in 2021. So it's been down here for a long time. It's been down at this price for a very long time. 78% down. You can't. Yes, I can. I can buy it on Robinhood. I can buy it on Robinhood. Some stocks exchanges on, but not Robinhood. I've temporarily bought it. Yes, I can. Yes, I can. Look. Review order. Buy. There's one. Yeah, see? I can buy it. Robinhood, best in the world. Hang on, it got cancelled. That's interesting. You're right. There's some issue here. We've received your order limits. I don't. The broke account is your brokerage account at a maximum of 129 per share. Your order to buy one share through your brokerage account wasn't filled today and has expired. Oh. Some exchanges not Robinhood have temporarily halted, but yet it wouldn't let me buy it. That's interesting. I think it dropped when it didn't get approved last time by the FDA. That's what happens when you forget commercials, like forget likes too. 100%. That's what happens when you forget commercials. Forget likes too. 100% great family. That's what happens when you forget commercials. Everyone oh, I see. Everyone likes the video when I don't do commercials. All right then. Only 100 to go live on YouTube. Only 100 to go. Live on YouTube. What's 100 to go, Bill? I need like an encyclopedia to understand what you tell me sometimes. Maybe it's a Canadian thing. I don't understand. Good option for buying BTC. I buy BTC on Robinhood. It's the best value, and it's safe. I remove it on my ledger. And no exchanges, no con artists with me. Let me try it again. All right, we've rung the bell, by the way. Ding, 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 ding. Limit order, limit price. 122 shares. 1. Good for the day. Good till cancelled. Allow. Review the order. Buy. Placed. Reading. 100 subscribers to go live on YouTube. Still don't understand what you're saying, Bill. 100 subscribers to go live on YouTube. Yes, you need 100 subscribers to go live on YouTube. That's correct. Was anybody asking that question? That's the thing, Bill. It's out of context. So why would I understand what you're saying? I didn't know if it's a statement or a fact or a... Yeah. No, it won't go through. You're right. It won't go through. It says here some exchanges are not Robinhood, have temporarily holded it, but it won't go through. I'll tell you what I'll do then. It may be because of the value, so I'm going to change it again. Shares. Yeah, limit order. Limit price, 130. Just testing this. 1 share. Good for the day. Allowed to execute. Right. I've set it for 130. Let's see. No, even if I set a 130. So yeah, Robinhood is saying that they're not accepting orders, but they are accepting orders, but it's not going through. So there's some issue with that. So I'm going to cancel my order. Not interested. There's something going on there. Even when it's saying they will accept it, they're not. So there you go. We're not getting involved in whatever's going on there. Market put on hold sometime, moving too fast. Yes, but it's saying that it's able to trade, but it's not doing it. Fact, I hear 1,000 for Rob, but I think it's TikTok. You mean? Yes, TikTok is 1,000 followers to go live. 100 subscribers to go live on YouTube. That's correct. It's 1,000 on TikTok. It's 100 on YouTube. That is correct. Anyway, we've done that now. We are in the after hours. We're still down 4.26. Let's have a look at what Vorb did. Oh! 283. Is Churchy still here? Is Churchy still here? Churchy, we can be friends still. The Church of Logic. Yes, he's here. Churchy, it's gone up. Me and you, good terms. We can still be friends. I bought 200. I bought 200 at 283. It's gone up after hours to 285. Churchy, we're still friends. I said to you, if it goes down before it goes up, me and you falling out. So there we go. Is Churchy in the stream? He's buggered off. Look. He hasn't left the building. He hasn't left the building because if I type at the church, his name comes up. So if you want to know if someone's in the live chat, you go at the name of their channel. See how I've done at the Church of Logic? Can you see that in my chat? If I do that, I don't know if you can see it unless I put a comment. The Church of Logic. All right. So I'll go test. Look, if I go Tesla, you can actually see. Are you doing NVIDIA earnings? Not tonight, no. I am not. Market profit, I am not doing it. Not doing it. It was rubbish this afternoon. No likes, no super chats, no subscribers, no followers, no nothing. Rubbish. So, 5:36, Virgin Galactic is gone up in the after hours. What happened? What happened to what? What happened? What happened? We didn't have you here. Oh, that is rubbish. The family. The family have been a bit like, I don't know what's wrong with people at the minute. Miserable. They're just not responding in the same way. Church, market profit. I'm only laughing. I'm only joking. Virgin Orbit. I was forced. I was bent over a barrel. I was backed over a barrel, whatever you want to call it. Bent over a barrel. Is that the word? To buy Virgin Orbit. So I bought 200 shares of Virgin Orbit. Even though I said no, not until it got to 268, but I did it. The good thing is I'm up on it, but there you go. I wasn't going to do it, but I did it anyway. What do you think of that? Everything is up in the after hours. What do you think of that? Everything is up in the after hours. Bent over a barrel sounds painful. Yeah, that's it. Bent over a barrel. They got me over about that. No, they got me over a barrel. That's what you say. You don't say bent over a barrel. You say they got me over a barrel. That's what you say. Yeah, that's it. They got me over a barrel. Let's stop talking about barrels. Right, I've got to go. Thank you ever so much, everyone, for tuning in. I want to thank everyone today. Actually, we've hit a milestone. We've hit a mile held over a barrel. That's the one. Fusion 301. Everybody, I want to have a little celebration. I'll have a celebration. Today, on TikTok, we hit a milestone. Today, we went through, ladies and gentlemen, 30,000 followers. That's a small town. It's a town. I'm basically the mayor of a town now. I'm a mayor of a town on TikTok. I've got 30,000 followers, which makes me the mayor of a small town. Now we're going to go for the mayor of a big town. We want 50,000 followers, and then we want 100,000. That makes me now the mayor of a city, right? And then we're going to go for 1 million, which will make me the mayor of a small country, and then we're going to go 100 million, which makes me the mayor of England. You may owe church when VORB goes up and you sell. I was going to buy it anyway at 268. Don't you give me that, Stephen Lewandowski. I was going to buy it anyway. I'm making less money now. I was going to buy it at 268. So there you go. Just saying. Right. I think we're done, right? So before I go, I recorded this for you wonderful people. I did two things. Look, Russia to hell. Sounds good, doesn't it? Very optimistic. And Ukraine again. Ukraine again and Russia to hell. Oh yeah, check it out. So, I put them out last night as a special little gift. It's my little gift to you. All right? I don't make any money on these because they're copyrighted songs. I never get sod all, but I just like doing it. There's video number 1. I'd love you to go and watch it right now and leave a comment below. And here's video number 2. There we go. Number 2. And Bill says, check your messages. I've got... a message from Bill. A crystal ball. Bill wants to send me an actual crystal ball. Brilliant. Bill wants to send me an actual crystal ball. Let me have a look. Oh. He wants to send me an actual crystal ball. I love it. Right, Bill wants to send me for Christmas a crystal ball. That would be good. Wouldn't that be good? Sitting here going with a real crystal ball. What does it do, Bill? What's this crystal ball do? Oh, look at that. Oh. Bill wants to send me a real crystal ball. He said, I'll show you. Look, I'll show you. Hang on. Look, here it is. This is what Bill just sent me. Look at that. An actual crystal ball. Oh, man. So there it is. See, I told you. Go viral. Go viral. It could go viral, Bill. You're absolutely right. It could go viral with my crystal ball. So does everybody think I should have a real crystal ball, or do you like this one? Here's my crystal ball. What do you think? Do I get a real crystal ball from Bill all the way from Canada, or do I have this crystal ball? What do you reckon? What's everybody reckon? I don't know. What do you think? Crystal ball is a legend. It is, isn't it? Will it help with the stocks? Bound to. Shad is bound to. Is there any doubt about it? There's no doubt about it. If it comes from Bill, crystal ball, it's going to be great. It's going to be great. All right. I'm looking at... It's a mixed bag. We've got some going up in the... Well, no brainer then. Fair enough. Shad said, get it then. You know, if it's going to help, you put the ball in front of you and do the noises. Do the noises. You put the crystal ball in front of you and you do the noises. Take the gift. Take the gift. Should I take the gift? It's like the price is right. Should I double up or should I take the gift? What should I do? What should I do? Everybody tell me. Should I take the gift or should I go, no, bugger off? What do you think? So, hang on then. Let's do a poll. Right. Here we go. Start a poll. Right. Take... What do I do? What do I do? Take the gift. Right? Take the gift or tell Bill. Whoops, I'm lazy. Tell Bill to bugger off. I can't believe what sort of show we got today. What do I do? Take the gift or tell Bill to bugger off? There we go. There we go. What do I do? What do I do? What do I do? Do I take the gift or do I tell Bill to bugger off? Oh my gosh. Patty says, I'm thinking about Martyn, seriously. Yeah, my headphones need to be replaced after the doodle. Yeah, my headphones need to be replaced after the doodle. There you go. You can't even spell it. If you're going to come on here, what was it? Fusion 301. If you're going to come on here and you're going to have a go at me and tell me I broke your headphones with the doodle, spell it right. That's not how you spell. That's not how you spell it. Look, does anyone think that's how you spell? Look. He's written He's written That's rubbish. All right. Let's get one thing straight. It's not that. We need better crystal ball predictions. Yeah, we do. It's essential. Right, I'm going to go because I was going to go ages ago. I didn't want to be here tonight. NVIDIA earnings, not doing NVIDIA earnings tonight. I got people tuning in, people now expecting earnings. They're coming on TikTok going, where's the NVIDIA earnings? Aren't you the earnings person? You do all the earnings. Why aren't you doing the earnings? I've got to have a night off sometime. I can't do every single earnings. I did the earnings this morning and I did earnings yesterday morning. I didn't know how to type that used noises. Right. Hang on. So it says here, there's about 5 of you who reckon I should take. We're all trying to work out how you spell. Right, there's Rob McLean. Hang on, folks. This is a very, very serious investment channel. Kalu Evans, we've got a guest just come in. Yeah, Malk says roll the credits. That is basically a polite way of being rude. Malk says, I can imagine he sat at home. He's probably sat on the toilet. He sat at home on the toilet and he's thinking, I'm sick of this. I've got Coronation Street to go and watch. Can you just roll the credits so I can go? I don't care how you spell. I don't care. Go home. I can't go home. I'm already at home. Christmas is getting closer, Mike. We have a lot of work to do. Malk says sorry. Roll the credits. Flip yo-yo Vorb. Flip it. What? I've made 1 cent. I'm going to sell it now. Church of Logic. Are you leaving? Church of Logic. Look, I'm up. Me and you are friends. Look, I bought it at 283. Look, I bought it at 283. We're good to be friends. We can be friends. Look, I've made money. I'm up. Church of Logic. You're okay. Me and you can still be friends. Bye, everyone. Roll 'em, boss man. Ali, well, yeah, I'm going. I'm done. I'm bored of everybody. Some days I just get bored. And I'm bored. There's no one inspiring me anymore. I'm feeling like bored. So let's do it. Let's roll the credits. I'm not interested anymore. I'm getting nothing back. I'm getting aggravation. I'm going to roll the credits. Right? You've made me spend money on things I don't want to spend money on. So let's roll the credits. Here we go. It's coming through. There we go. I don't know why I'm rolling the credits. It's going to be rubbish. Look at that. The worst credits. The poll. Take the gift. Tell Bill to bugger off. 67% say I should take the gift. Mike's giving me a super chat. Why did you do it after the credits? Why did you do it after the credits? That's rubbish. Look, I'll try again. If I refresh the credits, you might come up. I don't think you will, though. You did it too late. You did it too late. Look, you did it too late. It doesn't matter now. Look, if I roll the credits and refresh it, it's too late. See, you're not on the credits list. The credits are rubbish. I'm not even doing the credits. In fact, I'm turning the credits off. Yes, you left it too late. So if you want to be on the credits, next time, pay more attention, get involved before. He owes you, church. Flip in yo-yo vorb. Yeah, I am here, Martyn, to inspire you. Give us a song. I pay later. You want a song? What do you want to hear, Queen? You pay me later. Does everybody hear that? Hang on. Let me do a poll. Right. Hang on. Do a poll. Start a poll. Did you hear? Hang on. Did you hear that? Queen said she would pay later. Did you hear that? Because basically, this is what's going to happen, right? This is what's going to happen. If you all, yes, you heard it. Yes, we did. No. In fact, I'm just going to leave one option. Did you hear that? Queen said she would pay later. Yes, we did. I'm going to only give one option. Right? Because basically, she wants to hear a song, and I'm going to do a song, and who's going no? You got to go yes. I bloody knew it. I bloody knew that there'd be some bloody clown who'd come in and go no. Right, because if I do a song, you're all witnesses that she said she would pay me a tip. He was on the credits. GGS Mike, just take the rubbish. Just take the rubbish chat. Queen, that's awesome. He was on it. Was he? I don't know. I heard her say he would pay. I heard her say she'd pay double. Yeah, overtime. It's overtime. I know I am broke. Yeah. Well, how are you going to pay me then? How are you going to pay me if you're broke? See, I'm being led up a garden path here. Right, I'm going to go. I'll do one song for Queen because she asked nicely. I'll tell you what though, Queen, I'm going to hold you to it. There's going to be L up if you don't cough up. Just as I leave you though, go and copy and paste these two songs here. I recorded 2 videos for you guys, and after last night's Ukraine, I'd love you to watch them and leave a comment. Please, please, please. I'd love you to watch them and leave a comment. Road to Hell and Ukraine again. Look, there's the Road to Hell. I think they look quite cool, right? And Ukraine again. 2 videos on my music channel. All right. Okay. Great. Stephen did it for me. Stephen did it for me. No, he didn't. No, he didn't. No, he didn't. You've still got to pay. That's Stephen Lewandowski doing it for himself. Don't assume that's for you. Don't assume that's for you. You still owe me $10. No, Stephen Lewandowski, why did you just say I will pay for Queen? Why did you say that? Why did you say that? Now I can't hold her to it. Stephen, whose side are you on here? You just came on and you gave me a super chat. You could have left it like that, but no, you've got to come on and say, that's for Queen. Why did you do that? Bloody hell. Read the chats. I'm reading the chats. I'm reading the chats, Queen. I've read the bloody chats. I've read the chats. We got you, Martyn. No, you haven't got me. You haven't got me. Stephen Lewandowski's got me. Oh, now he's done another one. Right, now that one's for him. Don't say that's for Queen again. Stop giving money and then saying it's for someone else. See, 78% says yes, they heard the Queen say it. All right? So, think on. Think on. Right, okay, I'll do a song. Flipping it, I'll do a song, all right, I'll do a song. I wasn't going to do a song tonight. I was going to be elusive. I was going to be like, do you know what? I'm not going to always do a song. I'm going to make these people want it. I'm not going to always do it. I'm the world piano man. People used to pay like a lot of money to hear me sing. Now you get it for $9.99. I wasn't going to do it. I was going to be like elusive and go, do you know what? But now I've got to, because now you're giving me 2 super chats. So I've got to do it now. Anyway, I'm going to go and do it. So, before I go over and do a song, I want to say, Who is it who wants their name back, please? Someone says, can you edit my name back, please? It's only on this server. I've got... What's going on? Ah, Rob McLean, thank you for today. Mate, you didn't need to do that. You didn't need to do that. I just like randomly picking people. You asked for some help and I gave it to you. You didn't have to give me a super chat, but I'll take it. I can't exactly refuse it, can I? I can't return it. I can't refund it. So I'll take it because I might as well. But thank you, Rob. It's very kind of you, mate. I haven't finished yet, though. I haven't finished until I get to 1,000 followers. I'm just saying. Right. Have we got anybody new in the chat today? No. I want to pick the Queen of Self-Braiding to get more... it's nice to be nice. It is. Wonderful song, Queen. What did Queen say? Michael Bolton said, I loved you, but I lied. I've got Michael Bolton, when a man loves a woman. Is that any good? What did Mike say about his measly chat? What did Mike say? What did Mike say? I've got when a man loves a woman. Do you take Klarma? Do I take Klarma? What's Klarna? What's Klarna? Is that a crypto coin? Is that a crypto coin? Let me have a look. Klarna. Does someone want to give me a Klarna? Let's have a look. Is that a crypto coin? Hang on. CKLARNA. It's a payment. Oh, it's a pay. Oh, Karma. Oh, it's a payment system. Let's have a look. Karma. Have I got that? I don't think I've got that. Is that a new one? There's always something bloody new, isn't there? We've got to do a request in a minute. Karma. Let's have a look. I'll set it up. Karma shopping. Karma shop. Karma, download get a free gift. Credit Karma. Karma Safe Food. Which one is it? No, no, Klarna. Bloody, how many is there? Right. Klarna. Shop now, pay later. After pay. Klarna. I can't see which one it was. If you, should you wish to get, I don't know, Klarna or something like that. No, Klarna. I did Klarna. It's credit payments. It's credit payments. No, I don't have that. It was a joke over his head. Oh, I see. It's a joke. Oh, I see. I know. It's a joke. All right. Someone's trying to pay me on a credit card. I see. I do take credit cards on PayPal. Yes, I do. If I give you my PayPal account, you can pay me on a credit card. Yes. Have we got enough silliness on here now? Stop it. I'm going to get on. I've got to do. Yeah, did Queen, you never asked me. You wanted a Michael Bolton song. When a Man Loves a Woman. Is that any good? I was asking if you take Clark to pay in installments. Yeah, I'm setting up payment plans. I'm setting up payment plans to pay for requests. Yeah, from now on, there's payment plans. From now on, yeah, if you want to do a request, there's payment plans. 29 payments at 30% interest. Ooh. Right, red wine instead. Is that what you want? That's one of my worst songs. You really want that? I'll tell you what, you can decide what I want. If that's what you want, I'll go. Right, I'm going to finish the show now then. We're going to go over to here. The markets are rising after hours. That's good. Let me bring everybody on the chat a minute. Let me bring everybody on the chat. Whoops. Where is it? Right, here we go. Let me turn off incognito a minute. Get rid of that. Turn off incognito. I was doing that for 22 earlier. Trying to show them how it all works. Just give me our time. Give me our time. Live chat. Top chat. Right. Okay, we're good. Let's pump out the smoke. Pump out the smoke. Everybody on TikTok, do you want to come with me? Do you want to join in? In fact, I'm going to switch. I tell you what I'm going to do. I'm going to switch to the music channel, right? If you look in my profile, you can see I follow Martyn Lucas, which is me, just Martyn Lucas, not Martyn Lucas Investors. I'm going to end it here, change the music channel, and I'm going to see if anyone joins me on my music channel. I'll say goodbye to you now. Jump into the Martyn Lucas channel, and I'm going to be live there singing a couple of songs. See you in a minute. Bye-bye. Right, I'm going to change this to Martyn Lucas World Piano Man, and I'm going to go live on my music channel. Get rid of that, and there we go. Party time. Live music. Have you all followed me on my music TikTok? If you haven't, there's going to be hell up. I want I want you all to follow me on my, where is it? TikTok, Martyn Lucas Investor. There it is. Here it is. Here's my TikTok. Here's me TikTok. Tickety tock. Right, there it is. I'm going to go there in a minute. Right, live music. Martyn Lucas. That's me. All right, I'll go live there in a sec. Right, the smoke's coming out. Martyn Lucas Investor. I want Maserati. I want Maserati. We all want a Maserati, but you're not having one. What's going on there? I want a Maserati. What's going on there? That doesn't even make sense. Right. Let's go and do a couple of songs. Queen of Self Braiding. All right. There you go. Okay, I think that's all I need. My brain's gone a bit fuzzy. I'm thinking, what am I doing here? What am I doing? There you go. Done that. Turn that round. Done that. Right. We'll go and do a song. Okay. I think we're set. What a day. What a day. Hard work today. Okay. Oh, hang on a minute. I forgot my tickety tockers. They're thinking, what's going on? They're thinking, I don't know what's going on here. There you go. There we go. Okay. All right. Let me go live on here. On TikTok. Tickety top. Mirror video. There you go. Look at that. Let's see. I can zoom in a bit as well. There you go. I'm on TikTok now. Move that a little bit more. There you go. Perfect. Perfect. Okay. What are you all saying to me? Is anybody saying anything? Oh, yes, music, please. What do you want to hear? What should I hear? What should I play? Oh, wow, look at that. Got loads of my friend. I've not been on this channel for ages. How you doing? My name's Martyn Lucas, World Piano Man. Welcome back to my channel. I've been gone for ages. I haven't done anything on this channel for ages and ages and ages. I need to get to 10,000 followers. And we're 3/4 of the way there, or just about, on Tickety Talk. Right, so what should we do? Anybody want to pick a song? You want to pick a song? You can pick a song and I'll play it for you. So I'm going to start off with... if you tap the screen like that, for every 1,000 views we get, I will put your name in the song. I will call your name out and I will ask people to follow and support you. And we're trying to get to 10,000 followers in one show. That's what we want to do. We're at 5,000 right now. We want just over 5,000, nearly 6,000. We want to get to 10,000 followers in one show on TikTok. All you got to do is tap the screen like that with 2 fingers. It will get the more people to watch. And if you for every 1,000 we get, I will put your name in the song. And if you've got a request or a birthday, I'll do that for you as well. What happened to Arrival today? Down 20%. Well, Arrival's probably going to go bust. To be perfectly honest, Arrival's probably going to go bust, and we just have it as a lottery ticket right now. And that's where I see it going. Sad fact it is. But anyway, what happened? Stephen Lewandowski, 10,000. What's happening at 10,000? What's 10,000? Right, here's another one. This is a bit of Billy Joel. She's always a woman to me. Let's change the lights a little bit. There we go. Let's do that. Here we go. She can kill with a smile, she can wound with her eyes, ruin your faith in her casual lies. She only reveals what she wants you to see. She hides like a child, but she's always a woman to me. She can lead you to love, she can take you or leave you. Ask for the truth, but she'll never believe you. Take what you give her as long as it's free. She steals like a thief, but she's always a woman to me. Oh, she can take care of herself. She can wait if she wants. She's ahead over her time. Oh, and she never gives out. She never gives in. She just changes her mind. She can promise you more than the Garden of Eden. She'll carelessly cut you and laugh while you're bleeding. She'll bring out the best and the worst you can be, and then blame it on yourself. But she's always a woman to me. She can take care of herself. She can wait if she wants. She's ahead of her time. Oh, she never gives out. She never gives in. She just changes her mind. She's frequently kind and she's certainly cruel. She does as she pleases, she's nobody's fool. She can be convicted, she's earned her degree. The most she will do is throw shadows at you, but she's always a woman to me. She takes care of herself, and she does what she wants. She's ahead of her time. Oh, she never gives out. She never gives in. She just changes her mind. And she's frequently kind, but she's certainly cruel. She does say she pleases, she's nobody's fool. She can be convicted, she's earned her degree. The most she will do is throw shadows at you, but she's always a woman to me. She's always a woman to me. She's always a woman to me. Always a woman to me. Fantastic. Thank you ever so much. Hey man, awesome piano. Thank you very much. On TikTok, we've only got 6 viewers on TikTok. You do realise, if I was on TikTok now peeling a tomato, I would have millions and millions of views. Crazy as it may seem. If I talk about Bitcoin, I get millions and millions of views. But right now on TikTok, if you play songs, you get 6 people. That's okay. I don't mind, because I got my family here on YouTube who are supporting me, and I'm enjoying myself. So if you're over there on TikTok and you think, I can't have this, this is a good channel, what's going on? All you got to do is smash the like button and click the share button. See that the share button down there. If you share this and say, hey, oi, this is good, this. He'll sing you a song. He'll do a request. He'll sing happy birthday for you. He'll put his name in a song. All you got to do is tap the likes like that and click the share button, and more people will come in. Anyway, shall we do another one? Queen of Self-Braiding says, Putin has a plan to escape to Africa, and I think he may be going to Uganda. Oh my gosh, what's going on? He'll go down and see Zach. Zach will sort him out and say, oh, you, what's going on? All right, here we go. Let's change the lights a little bit. There we go, look at that. You like those lights like that? A little bit of pinky stuff? A little bit of pinkiness. A little bit of pinkiness. Here we go. Don't go changing to try and please me, yeah. You never let me down before. Don't imagine you're too familiar. I don't see you anymore. I would not leave you in times of trouble. We never could have come this far. Lord, I took the good times. I'll take the bad times. I'll take you just the way you are. Don't go and trying some new fashion. Don't change the color of your hair. You always have my unspoken passion, though I might not need to care. I don't want clever conversation. I never want to work that hard. Lola, yeah. I just want someone that I can talk to. I love you just the way you are. I don't want clever conversation. I never want to work that hard. Lola, yeah. I just want someone that I can talk to. I love you just the way you are. Just the way you are. There we go. Just the way you are. Beautiful song. Hope you like that. And hello, my friends on TikTok. How you doing? You just said I haven't seen you for ages. Well, I am actually online 10 hours a day on my other TikTok channel, Martyn Lucas Investor. And if you go and click on my profile and see who I follow, you can see my Martyn Lucas follower, Martyn Lucas Investor. I follow myself on my other channel. You can go and check me out. I'm live 10 hours a day. Anyway, who's still with me? Everyone's still with me. I like it. Very, very nice indeed. I might do one more song. And I know what I'm going to do. I'm going to do this one. This is my last one now. Unless I get another super chat. If I get another super chat, I'll do one more. All right, so at the end of this song, if I haven't got a super chat, I'll finish. If you want another song, you've got to give me another super chat. Is that fair enough? You've had 3 songs here. You ready? Okay, here we go. When the day and night is long and the night is yours alone, when you're sure you've had enough of this life, hang on. Don't let yourself go. Everybody cries. Everybody hurts. Sometimes. Sometimes everything is wrong. Now it's time to sing along. When you're sure you've had enough of this life, hang on. Everybody hurts. Take comfort in your friends. everybody hurts. Don't throw your hands. Don't throw your hands when you feel like you're alone. No, 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 you're not alone. If you're on your own in this life, the days and nights are long. When you think you've had too much of this life, hang on. Everybody hurts. Everybody cries. Everybody hurts sometimes. No, you're not alone. Hold on. There we go. We've got another request just come in, a super chat from Bill on YouTube. So we're going to do this now. Yesterday, I also want to thank somebody on TikTok. I want to just do something for you. Someone gave me, was it lots of sub stars, whatever that is. Thank you, subscription stars. What did you give me there? Somebody on TikTok just gave me subscription stars or something like that. Is it Christian? Can you do a song by Elton John? Yes, I can. I can. Billy Joel. We need to get some more love though. Only 12 people are here supporting me on TikTok. If you want to follow, hopefully you'll all follow me. I'm trying to get to 10,000 followers. So if you all tap the screen really fast and give me some super love, I will sing a song for you and you can keep it and download it and share it and stuff like that. Can you do your song by Elton John? I can do your song by Elton John. Yes, I can. If we get what have we got now? 4,900 likes. We got it, Martin. Ed Nevius has just tuned in. Some of my friends here have just popped in. So either we get to 10,000 likes, that's everybody tapping the screen, or somebody give me a super chat or a super tip on TikTok, and I'll sing your song. But right now, this is for Bill. Let's go back into color again. We're in black and white right now on YouTube. Let's go back into color for Bill. Bill wanted Yesterday. And this is for Bill gave me a super chat on YouTube. Here's Yesterday. Yesterday, all my troubles seem so far away. Now I need a place to hide away. Oh, I believe in yesterday. Suddenly, I am not half the man I used to be. There's a shadow hanging over me. Oh, I believe in yesterday. Why she had to go, I don't know. She wouldn't say. I said something wrong. Now I long for yesterday. Yesterday, love was such an easy game to play. Now I need a place to hide away. Oh, I believe in yesterday. Why she had to go, I don't know. She wouldn't say. I said something wrong. Now I long for yesterday. Yesterday, love was such an easy game to play. Now I need a place to hide away. Oh, I believe in yesterday. All right. Yesterday. Thank you much indeed. Right. What I'm going to do now is I'm going to try something I have not done for a long time. My music channel used to be my main channel. I only started the Martyn Lucas Investor Channel, a year and a half ago. Used to be called The Day Trader. It's now Martyn Lucas Investor. And I always do my music after hours here on this channel. And I'm getting lots of copyright flags, and my channel's getting a lot of, a few issues because I do all this music on my channel. So what I want to do a little test, because the home of my music is on my music channel, my Martyn Lucas music channel. This is of course, the investor channel. So what I'm going to do right now, everybody on TikTok, you can stay right where you are. I'm going to keep this going. But everybody on YouTube, Facebook, Twitch, everywhere else that is watching me right now, I'm going to end this stream and I'm going to be right back in 2 minutes on my music channel. And there's 26 of you watching me right now here on the investor channel. There's 27 now, and I'm hoping that I'm going to end this stream right now, and I'm going to go onto my music channel. I'm going to grab a beer and I'm going to do a few more songs. And I hope you'll all come and join me, because I'm getting lots of copyright flags here on my investor channel. So what I want you to do is look below on this channel and you will see the Martyn Lucas Music Channel, right? It's right at the top under sponsored channels. You can see my Martyn Lucas channel, same icon on the homepage. You will see it. Click on it. Okay, I will go there. Beer. Yes, great, says Stephen. Click on it and go to that channel. Click subscribe and ring the bell. And in about 5 minutes, refresh the screen and you'll see I'm live. You'll see I'm live on that channel in about 5 minutes. All right? Everybody on TikTok, you can stay right where you are. I'm going to keep you running. You can keep staying where you are. But everywhere else, TikTok, Twitch, YouTube, all those places, I'm going to finish right now, okay? And hopefully you'll all join me. There's 27 of you watching me now. It's wonderful. And I hope you'll all join me in a couple of minutes on the Martyn Lucas Music Channel, right? So look below on this channel, find my channel. You can see it, Martyn Lucas, and I'll be there in a couple of minutes, all right? And I want to see if everyone will join me, all right? See if you'll join me. All right, I'll see you back in a couple of minutes on the Martyn Lucas channel. Ali Tisro, roll the credits. I'm not going to roll the credits. I'm just going to end this stream, and I'll see you over there on Martyn Lucas in a couple of minutes. I'm going to go and grab a beer, and I'm going to get into some really deep music, all right? See you in a minute. All right, see you in a minute. Take care of yourselves and each other.